Tiger is definitely the most charismatic species in India. But we must keep in mind that tiger doesn't survive alone. Every atom and speck of a national park is equally beautiful. Well, honestly, I never had a wildlife experience growing up. So my experiences with wildlife began when I started to work and I had my first tiger sighting. It was January 1990. My first ever excursion into the wild world. I had about 5 absolutely dry safaris. We saw a lot, but not the tiger. While we were going towards the exit gate, very demotivated, disheartened, when suddenly the naturalist slipped and he whispered, "Tiger." We had just noticed the stripes in the dense bush. I could hear some rustling of the leaves. I could hear my own heart beat. Only once the tiger started to move and I could hear the sound of a heavy animal coming right through. And finally, the tiger emerged out of the bush. And to our utter surprise, she was followed by 3 young cubs. That connected me to a tiger. So tiger sat here during the day.
You can see the tail.
Oh wow! So he
Head here.
So he crossed कर गया मतलब. He's crossed.
From that side also.
Yeah, इधर yeah, correct. Yeah. इधर से गया
I think it's from that side.
Yeah, इधर से है. Again.
Yeah.
He's moving.
Spotted deer lamb.
So वहाँ से निकला है, so he should come in here.
Yeah. He comes
And-
from this place only.
Yes. He's come around and he's gone down. Yeah, he's crossed. There he is. He's smelling the tree. Yep. Awesome. He's marking. He's coming up. My name is Sharat Kumar Vats. I founded Nature Safari India in year 2000 and a journey which is now in the 25th year. We in Nature Safari India are basically in the wildlife tourism space, achieving guest delight through consistent delivery of quality service by a minimum water and carbon footprint and conserving the tiger, the environment, the communities through tourism. Tourism is a significant conservation tool if used correctly. It's said that one tourist generates employment for about 11 people. We are basically operating across India from sea level to an altitude of about 4,500 meters, covering all the species that India has to offer. Nature Safari India is based on the core value of giving back to the society. We associate with different non-profit organizations in different national parks. For example, in Kanha, we are doing it with 3 different organizations. One of them is Earth Focus, which is working on enhancing the landscape by doing a lot of afforestation. They're also supporting the local community and working on educating the young children of the area. Then we also have supported Kanha Bhoor Singh School, which is located very close to the Mukhi gate of the park. And there it is a school, it's an initiative by the Forest Department where the children of all the forest guards, the drivers and the guides, they study and they get good quality education. So since water was a challenge in the summer months, for the animals and also for the forest guards who stay inside the national parks. So we supported Project Aquarius by Earth Brigade, wherein they installed the solar water pump sets inside the national park in certain key areas near the forest camps, so that the guards and the animals have access to easy water. According to me, a perfect holiday comprises of two things. One, it has to be completely seamless. Whatever has been committed is delivered. And secondly, they go back so delighted that there is a want, a wish to come back, and they share their experiences with the family and friends. So it's been 34 years and more since I saw my first tiger in the wild in a national park. The excitement and enthusiasm that was there, it's even here today. Rather, it's only intensified. In fact, what has grown multifold is my joy, because now I get to share it with the rest of the world. But the bigger question is, have you seen your first tiger in the wild yet?